Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
What's up, man?
What's going on? So I got it all painted and all that stuff,
wow.
man.
Is there a way you can put this up for talk real quick?
Yeah.
Wow, this looks good, man.
I appreciate it, man.
I like how you had like a white. So did you add more bracings or is
Yeah, the front braces weren't in there when you saw it before.
Does the bracings help at all?
Oh, yeah.
Can you tell?
Oh, yeah.
Wow. And you built into the vehicle. I remember.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, I did just quick side panels.
Yeah.
I had an SFB 8K in here, and I did like a 55.8 with no side panels.
Oh,
And I started running into voltage issues. I got 2 cells that are bad.
Oh man.
And then so I wound up putting the SCAR 2K back in here, and you know, whatever.
Okay.
But I mean, you heard it before. You know, it
So
plays
what's your name and what else in here?
Jeremy Hardy.
Okay.
Is 3 Resilient Sounds Platinum 18s. Okay. Right now it's just a 300 amp Ohio generator alternator.
Yep.
PCM regulated.
Okay.
It's out 13.5 volts. Yep. So right now I just got a Optima red top in the trunk and SCAR RP2K.
Okay. All right.
Got the windows locked.
Yep. It's all good.
Dark tint.
Huh?
Dark tint.
Yeah. Can I see the back real quick?
Yeah, absolutely.
Awesome. Yes. Oh yeah. Ying long.
This cell and this cell are no good.
How did you find it?
Was that?
How did you know it was that one?
Just tested them voltage. I unhooked the balancer, and these 2 cells are dead.
Yeah, got it. Nice.
So all I got right now is that Optima red top.
Thanks for the demo. That sounds really good.
Not for 2K.
Yes, sir. Appreciate the demo, man. What was your name again?
I'll get you another one.
Oh, yeah, I'll hear one more. Sure, man.
We'll get this one a little lower.
All right. Oh, lower. Okay. Good demo.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.